everyone, this is Mahima and welcome back to my channel My Way. So for today, I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I got from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. Basically, I got a lot of stuff because I needed it, and also some of them are really hyped, so I really wanted to get it. And also most of them is skincare and body care. Makeup, like there's only 2 makeup products, rest all is skincare and hair care. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started. So basically there are 3 makeup products that I got. First, I got this Insight lipstick, another one in the shade Joyful. I love the color and that's why I wanted to buy it. This retails for 65 rupees and I got it for 65 only. And look at the color. It's like a perfect chocolatey color, which is not that supremely chocolatey. I love it and I really wanted to try it. So also it's very affordable, so why not? Next, I bought this L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Oh my god, this is so hyped, like so hyped, and I really wanted to get it and try it. मेरे सारे mascaras काफी पुराने हो गए, so I really wanted to try a new one. So I thought of getting this one. मैंने अभी तक इसे open भी नहीं करा है. And this one originally retailed for 799 rupees, but I got this for 500, like 450 or 500, which was pretty amazing considering कि 800 का है. So I have really high hopes with it. So let's see how it works. And the last makeup product that I got is this. So this is the Wet n Wild Precious Petal Highlighting Mega Glow Powder. You know I have the other shade in Blossom Glow, but this one was really hyped and I really wanted to try it. And this is the highlighter. This is the one I'm wearing right now. I really like it on my skin. It looks really good and it's not that goldenish in color. So in all, I really like it. And let's see, मैं ज़्यादा try करूँ product को तब मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा से पता चलता है. So this one is for rupees 499, but I got it for like 300 approx, so which was amazing. So these were the only 3 products that I got as like for makeup. Like in makeup, I only got 3 products. So to start with the skincare, first I got this Clean and Clear Morning Energy face wash. This is the Aqua Splash face wash. This one is for 75 rupees and I got it like 65 approximately. I really like this face wash. Clean and Clear has amazing face wash. This one is really good. So this time I went crazy with toner. So first I got this Biotique Paya Cucumber toner. मैंने इसे अपने channel पे review किया हुआ है, so I really like this. And this one I got it. This I got for my brother and he loves it, so I got this for him. And मैं भी इसे use करूँगी because I love it. अभी तक ये open भी नहीं है. So this one is for rupees 175 rupees. Sale price was this. I don't remember the price. So जितने भी price होंगे वो सब screen पर होंगे. Next I got this Khadi Naturals Herbal Face Fresher. So basically it's not a toner but it's like a mist. I love it. I love it. It's very refreshing. It's like the mint and cucumber. So it's very refreshing. I love it, and this is also suitable for all skin types. This one is for 95 rupees, but I got it like for 70 rupees, I believe. So it was very affordable. And the last toner is this. This is the Plum Green Tea Toner. And this is alcohol free and this contains 200 ml of product. And this one is for 390 rupees. But I got it for this price. I have heard so much about it, so I really wanted to try it. I got it and now I'm going to try it from today itself. And I'm going to let you know how it works. So let's see. So next I bought this Himalaya face mask. This is for 75 rupees and I got it for like 60 rupees. This is their neem pack and I really love their neem pack. मैंने इसकी पहली बड़ी बॉटल भी ली थी and वो मेरे भाई ने सारी खत्म कर दी. So I got a smaller one. अगर आपकी skin acne prone है, definitely try it. It's a really nice face pack. So after face pack, I bought these 2 sunscreens. So first I got this Lotus Herbal Safe Sun 3-in-1 Matte Lux Daily Sunblock. This is like a matte sunscreen and this is suitable for all skin type. It's also tinted and this contains PA++, UVA, SPF 40, UVB. So this one is 275 rupees and I got it for this price, and I have used it. It's like it has slight bit of tint. So you can see it has a very slight tint, which is barely even visible. But yeah, it's like a tinted sunscreen. I like it because it's really matte. So if you have like an oily skin, you can check this one. अभी तक मैंने इसे एक दो बार यूज किया है, so अभी मैं ज़्यादा अच्छे से आपको बता नहीं सकती. Once I will use it more, I will definitely gonna let you know. So next I bought this sunscreen. This is a Neutrogena sunscreen. I freaking love this one. मैं इसका स्टॉक बना के रखती हूँ, and I have no words for this one. This is for 549 rupees and I got it for this price. So in all, this is really nice sunscreen and I highly recommend this one to all of you guys. So next is something which I got for my mom. So she uses this Pond's Age Miracle corrector. So it's like a day cream. I don't use it. She uses it. So I got it for her. I don't know whether this works for her or not. So this one is like for 699 rupees, but I got it for 500, like 515, so which was pretty amazing. So yeah, this was the next product. Next I bought this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. This is the bigger tub, so I have finished the chota tub. So this one is like 147 gram of product and you have to pay 250 or 270, I believe. How much is the price? The price is 299, sorry. And I got it like for half of the price. So in all, this was really good moisturizer and I highly recommend it. I have also shared the review, like I have shared my top moisturizers and there I've talked about it, so you can check that video. Next I bought this Khadi Naturals Herbal Facial Massage Gel. So basically it's their mint and aloe vera gel. I have heard a lot about this gel, so I really wanted to try it and I was so tempted about the gel thing. So I got it for myself and I haven't opened it, but I'm very excited. I don't know why. And it open नहीं हो रहा इसके ऊपर से सीख. So this is their aloe vera gel. I'm gonna take it. Okay, this is very cooling, like very cooling, and it has a very strong fragrance. So I'm gonna keep it aside, and my hand feels so good, so good. So this is their gel. Next I bought this Insight nail paint remover. I don't have any nail remover with me, so I got one for myself, and this one is for 70 rupees and I got it for 70 only. इस पे कोई भी off नहीं था. And also I bought the Insight nail paint. I have tried their nail paint पहले भी and I love that color and love that formula. So I ordered another one and I love the color. So this is in the shade 224. I haven't tried it, but you can see by the packaging the color is bomb. And the nail paint was for rupees 50, so it's not at all expensive. Next I bought this Anaha, I believe the name is right, wax, which is I got from Amazon. ये मैंने Nykaa से नहीं लिया है, Amazon से लिया है. So this is something which I got for my DIY. So I really want to try DIY. I really wanted to do some DIY, so I got this for me. And this one is for 200 rupees, but I got it for like 150 rupees, which is pretty affordable. So this is the beeswax. The next product is something which I'm the most excited about. So this is the Plum Makeup Cleanser. The makeup cleanser balm. I have heard a lot about it and I really wanted to try it, so I got it for myself. This retails for 545 rupees and you get 90 gram of product, which is amazing. I haven't tried it, but let's see. Okay, so इसके ऊपर भी एक sheet है. Okay. So this is the balm and it also have this ताकि आप product को निकाल सको, and it feels very soft. But I will definitely try it and gonna let you know कि कैसे work करता है. So I'm very excited about it. I am really into cleansing balm these days, so I'm really excited about it. Second last thing is this. So this is the basically contact lenses which I got from Pack. I only wear Fresh Look lenses and I thought of trying another one, so I got this Pack one, and this is like one pair and it retails for 220 rupees. Basically I got it for I think 200 rupees, and this is in the shade turquoise. So जब इसे ट्राई करूंगी आप सबके सामने ट्राई करूंगी, सो गोना लेट यू नो कि कैसे लगता है. एंड द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस. सो दिस इज कैफीन Naked Raw Body Scrub and M Caffeine Naked and Rich Cocoa Butter. So I got both, and both of them, ऐसे I believe they are like for 700 to 800 rupees, but I got them for a pack of 600. So this is the body butter and this is the body scrub. And along with that I got this hand cream free, which I have tried, and this hand cream is originally this is for 325 rupees, and I really love the fragrance of it. It's really nice. It's really nice. These two are the products. Let me show you. मैंने इसे open नहीं किया. I love this spoon. So this is their body scrub. अभी मैं इसे open नहीं करूँगी because आपको मैं एक different video में share करूँगी ये कैसा है. So this is the body scrub and you get a spoon, wooden spoon with it, which is really good. And this is the body butter. It comes in glass tub and this is the butter. I've tried this before. मैंने इसकी basically मेरी friend के पास था तो मैंने इसे एक बार try किया था. I love it. So that's why I ordered properly. So I am really excited. So pretty much these were the things that I got for myself. Pretty much everything is something which I do need. सब कुछ ऐसे फालतू में मैंने कोई भी परचेज नहीं करी है. मेकअप मैंने इसलिए ज़्यादा नहीं लिया बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी हैव सो मच ऑफ मेकअप. सो आई एम मोर इन्वेस्टेड इन स्किन केयर एंड क्लेंजर्स एंड balms and everything. So pretty much that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye.